I'm Lauro Franz, and this is the Pears on the Avenue by Minky's. The welders are preparing the last row of tiebacks. They're the ones holding up the whole shoring. Even though we've got these piles here, they're the actually ones that are drilled at approximately 40-degree angle, and they're holding up the wall. Right now, because we have the dumps that are open and the trucks available, we're just bulking as much of this earth as we can right now. Especially today, calls for rain and snow. The dump probably won't remain open after that. So we're doing our darndest to now bulk everything out as fast, as efficient as we can. Bulking means the machines feed the trucks, and the trucks are hauling the earth off of the site. From that elevation there, we have another 2 meters to go down. Would have been the P4 level, but we have a massive raft slab that we have to pour, and that entire slab will be taking the place of the P4 level. Huge amount of steel that's going into this raft slab. 700-800 tons of steel. That doesn't come very quickly, especially putting it all together. So hit subgrade level in another week or two, and start the skim coat, waterproofing. 6 to 8 weeks for steel. We're probably looking to pour this raft slab probably end of April, beginning of May. We're pumping out anywhere from 15,000 to 20,000 liters of water an hour. We went from freezing cold weather to a major winter thaw. We saw rain, we saw snow, and temperatures one day hit above 15 degrees. That's very unusual. Goodbye for now. Looking forward to seeing you in when we're down to subgrade level and putting in the steel for this massive raft slab. Thank you.